Yo, what's good, Josh? Your boy 21 Boy in a bit. We back at it with another video. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's been a minute. So right now I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, I did buy the car, and yeah, I haven't recorded anything else after that. So right now I honestly want to go buy a new camera, so it'll give me an excuse to actually record more things, a more convenient type of camera. So right now I'm about to go ahead to Best Buy and see if they even got it in the first place, because the app says they don't even have it in store. But when I was at Best Buy, I did see it before. They don't have it, and this is exactly what I want. This shit is mad expensive though. So why y'all lying? So we finna go out there now and see if they got it.
Yes, sir. You know what time it is. Yes, sir.
Dang, I ain't gonna lie, the camera, obviously I'm using my phone. The iPhone 14, hold on, first of all. So this car needs a new steering pump because the old one is going out. And apparently they're known for going out with the 08s and up to the 14. So again, today's goal is to actually, I didn't mention this, but I did order a new shifter just to make the red shifter version of this because I wanted it red to match the interior for red, obviously red. And the red stitching, of course. And I also did get an STI sticker to go on the wing. It's gonna look good. I needed some carbon accents somewhere. This car has a lot of white on it, so I'm looking for some other color on there. The wheels are darker. I didn't change anything specific with this car besides get tint. It's gonna look clean. I'm telling you, it's gonna look clean. It's gonna look fire. And I bought that because I just wanted it, and I got the knob because I wanted to change something in the interior as well. I haven't really done a car with interior mods on it, so this is probably gonna be my first for a lot of things. But every time I get in this car, I'll be like, damn, I love this car. And I'm gonna be honest, when I was in the market for a brand new car, I was looking at a 2014 BMW 328i M Sport with red interior, well, 2015 with red interior and paddle shifters. It was so clean. It was such a clean car, and I knew it would actually bring a lot of attention to YouTube because of my previous BMW. I thought about it, but I just kept thinking about the driving experience with this, and the driving experience in this car is just unmatched compared to the BMW. And I had both cars before. I had two Blabis WRXs, and I had the black 328. And I like the 328 as a daily driver, but an STI was just one of my dream cars to own. And when this came up on the market for a very reasonable price, I was like, I got to, bro. And here we are with a STI Limited, and it's not hard to believe because it's not that expensive. It's just a simple fact. It's just so much maintenance on the car. It makes it expensive. You know what I'm saying? So part of me still like goes back and forth with myself about that BMW because it was such a clean BMW, and I was like, man, if I get this STI, I gotta go all in for it, and I did. And here we are. Just gotta fix it. You just can't go wrong with a Boxster, man. It's such an enjoyable car, and I will do POV drives of it. But as of right now, I think I'm gonna need a GoPro for that. Oh, buddy. Whoa, buddy. Alright, we pulling up now. Yes, sir.
These motherfuckers was lying because they on their website. They don't have it. And this is exactly what I want. This shit is mad expensive though.
But it comes with all this stuff and it's very convenient, so I definitely want this. I did say I was gonna get a GoPro as well, but I don't know how much they are, and I'm not trying to go bankrupt. There it is. Ah, that's not bad. That's way cheaper than the camera I want, but we don't want no GoPro right now. Alright, so we pulling up to the second Best Buy, and we got VIP parking just because I can.
So this one got more of a selection all the way over there. So we're gonna go window shopping, maybe. So I'm stuck between two cameras. I'm stuck between this one and this one. They're damn near the same, but this one is like a tier up. Or I don't know. What the f? So we are going to start off with the shifter. Again, this is the shifter, as y'all know. This is the shifter, as we all know. It's very plain. I want something new. I wanted to match this, and this is gonna look very aftermarket-y. As you can see, it's much bigger, and I don't know if I'm gonna like that.
So I ain't even gonna lie, this camera is fire, because this was something I was actually looking for, but I was looking at another camera. I was looking at another one, but this one was actually $1,100, but the other one I was looking at was $600. But this is a long-term investment. Like, look at this. I got autofocus, bro. This shit's crazy. I'm a vlogger now. It's crazy.
So let's see if we can just screw it off, which I don't think we can, because it actually has some holes in the... Wait, hold on. I'm just talking. Just do it. And that's the shifter right there. Oh my God, this camera is fire. I don't know. I don't know. It's very iffy feel to it. I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about that. It looks fucking weird. It looks weird. I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I like this at all. I guess this is one way to do it. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna be super honest. It got a nice feel to it, but the look of it, it just looks like an off-brand version of this. That's clearly what it looks like. But let's see what this guy's up to. God.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Oh my God. What you be doing? What you be doing, Mike?
Nigga, I be driving so damn slow, the fucking tires be rotating and shit.
So I did one side of it so far, and honestly, it don't look that bad. It actually look kind of good. You know what I'm saying? It actually look kind of good. It's just, I mean, could have did better. Yeah, I fucks with it. You know what I'm saying? As long as I like it. So I just took the film off, so it's like, bro, oh my God. So it looks way better now. Way better. Look at that. So alright, now I gotta peel it off. Let me show you real quick. Oh my God. Look at that. So I ain't gonna lie, I love the way my car came out. That shifter is a little questionable, because the way the shifter look, it's like, it's definitely, you definitely would know. If you know Subarus, you would know that's like not an OEM shifter. So whenever my bank says it's okay to get an OEM shifter, because they run for like about $100 each, then we'll get one. But as of right now, we're just gonna stick with that one. I did want that to be red, because there's, you know, red accents in the car just from factory. Very happy with how the day went out. We got this camera. My bank is not happy how the day went, because I actually went for a different camera, and this one ended up being $400 more. Later tonight, I am going to take pictures and some B-rolls of the car just to see what it looks like at the moment. So, and I haven't done an overview of that car yet, so I guess I'll do that sooner or later.